Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Samsung pin. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change your Samsung pin, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on lock screen and AOD. Then locate and click on screen lock type. Type in your current pin, click on continue. Now to change your pin, click on pin. Now go ahead and type in your new pin. Even if you see at least 6 digits is recommended, just go ahead and type in whatever pin you can remember, either 6 digits or 4 digits. Then you can say tap continue when finished. Repeat or confirm the pin again, and then click on OK. And that's it. You should see your Samsung phone pin changed. Now go ahead to confirm the pin. You see that? So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.